Okay, Trailhead brothers here. Today we will do this badge agent customization with Apex, so you can follow me around. So let's get started. For this, you have to create your own Salesforce account. Just use your email here, and it will create it for you. After a few times, it will send you an email to set your password. Okay, so let's go right ahead, and then after that, you have to link your Salesforce account here at the bottom. You can see here, if you click here, you will see connect org here. Okay, so this is what you have to do. Okay, so let me refresh it, and let's get started here. Launch. Okay, here what we are doing is we have to make sure go to the setup and turn the Einstein on again. Copy this and go to your Salesforce org. I have just opened it by clicking launch. You can all it has automatically gone to the setup. You can go to the setup by clicking this icon, and on the setup it will open a new tab. Okay, just put Einstein setup here. Click here once and wait for a few minutes. Okay, click this done. I think it will take a bit of time. You can just refresh and let's see what we have to do. Again, we have to go to the Salesforce org, and then we have to go to the Agentforce default, get started, turn on, confirm. Okay, so let it load. In the quick search you can copy paste Salesforce Go. Click here. Okay, in here just type Agentforce. Okay, click the first one, the Agentforce default. Just remove, press the cross. Okay, click here, the Agentforce default. It will come on the screen. Click on get started and then click on turn on and confirm, and that's it. It will take a bit of time. You can just refresh your browser. Okay, now what we are doing here, we are going to use Apex code, the weather service, and for a bit of information, what this code is doing, we are, we can only find the weather for the past and for the today. We cannot find it for the future, so it is normalizing it. And then we are using the API here, and then with the API we are getting the information. uh, Here it is, and then we are saving the information in a list, and then when we are sorting it and we are assigning it to the variables that we have set here. That's it. So this is here we are defining the variables. In here we are defining the type, variable type, and here in here we are defining the list type by using the decimal variable, and this is the short function for converting from Celsius to Fahrenheit. Okay, if you come here, we are also using the invocable method here, how to invoke the buff function that we have just written here, and this is it. So these are just invocable variables that we are defining here. Okay, now we have to we also have to set up permissions, but we don't have to do it in here because it is already done. So just click on check challenge. Okay, let's go to the next unit. Okay, in here, the code that we have seen previously, it has already been done so in our Salesforce account. Let's go to setup. We are already in here. Let's go to Agentforce assets. Okay, and then we can click action, new agent action, Apex, invocable method, check weather. Okay, in the quick find, copy paste Agentforce assets. Click here. It uh, it takes a bit of time. And then we have to go to the actions. Go to actions and click new agent action. In here they are showing us how to use our Apex class. In Apex, in here we will use invocable method, and then we have to select this check weather. Click next, and then what we have to do for agent, leave the prefill. Okay, for the API prefill, click next. Okay, okay, it is prefilled for the aging invocable action. Okay, uncheck it. For input, notice that it to check is pre-filled. Okay, let's uncheck this. Okay, this one is already require input, and then you can also update. Okay, for it's pre-filled with a data type. Check collect data from user. Okay, let's click here, collect data from user. Let's go back for output. There are three that code. Okay, this is corresponding for the third output temperature description. We have to click show in conversation and finish. Okay, if you come here at the bottom, click here show in conversation and click on finish. That's it, we created our agent action that we are gonna use in agent, obviously. Yeah, okay, it is loading. Let's see the next steps. In the meantime, we have to go to the Agentforce agents and we have to select Einstein Copilot or Agentforce default, and we have to open in builder and we have to make sure that it is deactivated. Okay, this is saved. Let's go to agents. Okay, here it is. Click here. Okay, if we go to the bottom now, we will have to see Einstein Copilot here. Click here. A new tab will open. Do not close any previous tabs. In here we have to select open in builder. It will be on the top right of the screen. Here it is. Click here. It's gonna go to the agent builder. Okay, while it is loading, let's see the next steps. Deactivate. Okay, migration default topic. We have to select this topic and click new topic action, click new add from and check whether and finish. Refresh your browser and then select topic and verify. Okay, and click activate. Okay, in here it is already deactivated. It is already done, so let's click here. Migration default. Okay, if you go to the topic, we have so many of these. Let's see in the list. Okay, check whether is not here. We have to add it. Click new, add from asset library, and then we have to search check whether. Okay, here it is. Click here and click on finish. It will add this to our actions to this topic. Okay, it is here. Let's click activate. Ignore and activate. It is activated. Click on got it. Let's go back and let's check the weather for tomorrow and press here. Check the weather for tomorrow. Okay, this is the temperature that it has given us. Okay, nice. All of the things that he is doing. Check weather for the next week. You can see it has using our agents. Use this date to check, and then all of thing is using. Let's put another prompt. Okay, you can see it has also given us response again. Great, it is working as intended. Just click on check challenge. Congratulations, we have completed this batch. Thank you. Kindly like, comment and subscribe my channel Trailhead Brothers. And if you have any questions, let me know. If it also helped yours, also let me know. Keep your feedback coming. Also for the next my video, I'm gonna be creating a video for this Superbadge Apex for Agentforce. So be on the lookout for this. Also enable the bell icon so you don't miss any videos. And thank you.